Hello everybody and welcome to the OFG again. Back cooking properly this time. Well, I'm not cooking this week really. I am cooking food but I'm not making my own ingredients. Sort of. I've been at Morrisons this week and I got a few bits. I don't go to Morrisons often, but I thought today go to Morrisons and I've got a few bits for the week apart from Wednesday. It's going to be takeaway. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Any ideas? Let me know in the comments below. But today we're going to be having a Hollands. It says new there. I haven't had Hollands for absolutely years, so I don't know whether that's new. I don't think it is. Minced beef and onion. £3.75 I think that was, if I can remember correctly. Yes, that's what I'm going to have today. Holland pie. Last time I done my pucker pies, I got them from Asda. Everyone's on about Holland and I haven't had one for years, so I thought, well, I'll get one and we'll try them. And I'm also going to accompany it with some Morrisons ready mash. Microwave stuff, nice and simple. So, and a few green beans from Morrisons as well. That mash was £1.50 I think it was. I'll have to look at the receipt. Anyway, it's all about the pie mainly. Let's open the pie up and have a look. Yes, £3.75. I've just looked at the receipt. The mash was £1.50. The mash with butter and milk. And the green beans was £1.19. So there we go. Well, there's the pie anyway, Hollands. I think everyone's had Hollands, didn't they? I can't remember the last time I had one. So, that's what I'm having today. Serves for, say new. I don't think they're new, are they? Let me know if you have Hollands, whether they are new. I do the small ones as well, but I thought I'd get a big family one. Cooking instructions, I've got the oven on, 50 to 55 minutes. There's the pie in the foil tray, yeah, blah blah blah, we know about that. There's the ingredients. And the nutrition, nice and simple. We get it all open and have a look. Let me know, because they do a few different Hollands, don't they? Steak and kidney and all that, I suppose, don't they? So, there it is. We'll open these. As I do, I'll put them back in the freezer in a bit. And we'll open them in a bit. And I also thought, to accompany the pie, for pudding, I will eat, should I say, a family Bramley apple pie, £1.50. And I didn't buy any custard. I've got some from, already had some in out of the cupboard from Aldi. Some ready-made custard from Aldi, and we'll have it with that. So anyway, let's get the pie in the oven. Okay, the pie has got about 5 minutes to go. So now we're going to do the mash. Morrisons mash with butter and milk. Now they are quite nice. I've done the Iceland one and that before, and they are quite nice. I'm not sure whether I've done the Morrisons one before. And they're really convenient, aren't they? They are really convenient. There you go. Just going to put, I'm not weighing it, I'm just going to pile some in. Probably half a bag or something. There you go. Get that one in and all. And that's going to go in the microwave for 3 minutes, give it a mix. I might add a little bit of butter at the end, we'll see. And I've also got a pan of water boiling. I'll just use the kettle to get it hot. Just to put some green beans in for the last few minutes, that's all. You don't really need to see the green beans, do you, really? But, you know, that's what they are. Get a few in there. I think I'll even put a little bit of salt in that, I think. Because why not? There we go. Bring them to the boil, then let them simmer. Okay, the pie is done. Smelling delicious. There it is. I'll leave that to cool down for a minute just while the mashed potato is finishing. I'll put that to the side. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the oven off. And I'm going to use the free heat just to warm this up. Why not? You can eat it cold, can't you? But might as well cook it a bit. There it is, look. It's broke a bit. 10 down to me because the piece ain't there. Family apple pie. Get that in the oven. Okay, just while the mash is finishing up, I have to put it in for an extra minute. Wasn't quite ready. I'm going to cut the pie up. Put some slits in here so I can get it out easier. Something like that will do. Hopefully you can see that. Hat. Got another slit. There we go. Now let's see if I can get it out to show you without dropping it everywhere. Probably not. So you cut. Bit more. There we go. That's got it now. Yeah. There it is. I'm going to have to get it straight on there because it's going to collapse everywhere otherwise. Do the other one. Smells nice. Mince beef and onion, and that's favourite. Yeah. Put that to the side to show you the pie inside there. There's the pie. It's all full in it. Move them across. Few green beans on the side. Then we'll do the mash. And I've done myself some thingy gravy, that's all. Some gravy granules to go on top. Nice and simple. More green beans for me. I like my green beans, mate. Why is it? Is it okay, or is it?
What, the mashed potato?
Yeah.
It's like wallpaper paste.
I was like wallpaper paste.
Until I put loads of gravy on it.
That was it. Nat just asked if I had made the mashed potato myself. And I said no. She just said like wallpaper paste. So you put gravy on it. We'll see. Have a look. I could have put some milk in it, couldn't I? I got the mic. Hold on. Well, so guys, the mic cut off then. Let me show you. There it is. It's all about the pie though, isn't it? It's all about the pie. We'll get some gravy on. There's our Nat, she's not coming on. She's only just getting over the travelling, ain't you, Bab? Yeah. You've been suffering. Thick gravy. You want that thick gravy, don't you? And even on the camera, look. There we go. There we go.
You need that gravy on that potato.
You need that gravy on the potato. It's quite nice though.
It's nice.
It's a simple meal.
It's nice. I was just talking about it's really thick.
That is thick. Yeah, I could have put some butter in it, couldn't I? I put butter in, I could put milk in it as well. Give it a bit more mix, you know what I mean? But hey, it doesn't matter, does it?
No, it's still nice.
Yeah. There we go, that's it's the pie in it.
Pie's nice.
Pie nice. Hollands pie. Mince beef and onion I got. Because I know you like mince beef and onion. What's the pastry like?
Quite nice actually.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Everyone's raving about them, so I thought I'd get one.
Nice.
Reminds me of school dinners, the smell.
Crunchy pie. Crunchy pie. Nice. You know, some pies you don't get the crunch.
That's got lovely flavour, isn't it, that? Isn't it, that pie? That pie has got lovely flavour. That means beef and onion. As I say, I haven't had it for years, Hollands. I can't remember the last time I had it. The last time you had an Hollands pie, can you remember? No? Well, that is nice, isn't it, that pie? Well,
Nice.
a little bit expensive, $3.75, but it is nice, isn't it?
How much it was?
Yeah, it is nice though.
Was it big?
Well, it's full, half left. So there's plenty more. Here's the mash. That's okay, isn't it, that mash? That's alright, that. I see, you'd have to put gravy on it, but you wouldn't eat mash on its own, would you? Unless you had beans or something with it, would you?
No, but can you see what I mean?
Yeah. It's a bit gloopy.
That's what I meant, like wallpaper paste, gloopy. It's not, don't taste nasty.
It tastes alright. Bit of milk in there when I mashed it up. It's probably been better. Yeah. Or as you're cooking it, so get some milk hot as well.
It does taste nice.
Well, apart from that, yeah. I'm quite happy, really.
I'm enjoying that.
Yeah, enjoying it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Something simple and delicious, isn't it? Yeah, I'd give this a good mark, wouldn't you, altogether?
Yeah.
For not messing around. Well done, Morrisons and Hollands, because you get them in any supermarket, don't you? Just because I was up there, that's why I thought I'd get them. Yeah, I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. For convenience. Taste. The Hollands is lush. I see what people mean about better than a pucker. It is better than a pucker, isn't it?
Yeah.
100%. Yeah, 100% better than a pucker. The mash is the mash, isn't it? It's the same as all the supermarkets, isn't it? I've done a few different ones. If it was me, I'd probably put it in for a few minutes, give it a mash, put a bit of milk in and a bit of butter, and then put it back in just to heat the milk through. That's probably what I'd have done next time.
I'd definitely have the mash again. And pie. Really nice.
All in all, yeah, 8 out of 10 for me for that. For convenience. I've made loads of pies on my channel. Loads. And we do like a pie, don't we?
Yeah.
We do like a pie. So yeah, 8 out of 10. What would you give it, sweetheart?
8.5.
8.5.
Yep.
8.5. Simple meal.
It was really tasty.
Yeah, it is really tasty, isn't it? I'm going to go and eat it now. It is really tasty. Morrisons, which I haven't done yet, Morrisons always also do their own pie, which I haven't done yet. I was going to pick one of them up as well, but I thought, well, because I've already done a pie at Hollands, I weren't going to do another one, but I might do one in the future. Morrisons one, which I haven't done. I've done a Tesco's and a Lidl, and I've done an Aldi. So I'll have to do the Morrisons own brand pie. As I say, I am the old food guy. This is delicious. If you haven't tried it, get it. It's cheapish. The pie is just a pie that's expensive. But for 4 here. See you later. Bye-bye. Don't go anywhere, I've just forgot. I got me pie in the oven. It's probably burnt. I'll bring you back when I get this. And there's the apple pie. Hot, 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 hot. Lovely, look at that. There's the apple pie. And there's the custard, which will open. I'm going to get the apple pies into a bowl first. I'm going to pour the custard on. And then we'll put it in the microwave for probably a minute or two just to warm the custard through. Oh, there's a nice crunch on this apple pie. There's a nice crunch on it. Cut that off. I don't know if you can be able to see. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. £1.50. Have I cut it? Sort of. There it is, if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it properly. We'll be in there. We've got no cream, have we, Bab? Got squirty cream. Do you want squirty cream or custard?
I might have squirty cream.
Squirty cream?
Yeah.
Okay, more custard for me then. And that's just another slice of pie, ain't you, Bab? Yeah. Okay, you're squirty cream then, and I'll have custard. Put that out of the way. You enjoy that dinner? Really nice. Enjoyed that dinner. Let's get some custard on there. I do like some custard.
Thank you.
There we go. Right, microwave and the apple pie and custard. Yum yum. There it is. Good old apple pie. And it does smell quite nice, that apple pie does, to be honest with you. Cream, putting cream on, Bab. Squirty. Squirty. Cream or custard, guys? Cream or custard? Let us know. Custard for me. always custard. Let's have a crack at this. It's going to be boiling up now. It's got a nice little... Can I yours? The crunch on the pastry.
Yeah, it's got a crunch. Yours won't because you've got custard.
No. Boiling up.
That's nice.
Good job I remember, because this has been in there for hours and I forgot all about it.
It's nice.
Yeah. It is nice, isn't it, that? For £1.50, that is quite nice, isn't it?
Good.
Yes, lovely. Well, there you go, anyway. I'm going to go now and eat that. But that's just at the end thing that I thought I'd get. And that's well worth the money, I think, £1.50 for that.
I think it is.
Don't you? For convenience. I mean, you ain't even got to put it, I just put it in the oven just to get it a little bit extra crunch. While the oven was off and just hot. That's all. I say, see you later. Bye-bye.